What's up guys, welcome back to the channel. And today we are with Andre, and Andre is going to be shooting my car with Carl's rims on. And just wait, there's a car coming. This is how car looks at this given moment. This is my daily height. I didn't change the height of it since the last time I showed you guys how to lower it. That is exactly how it was. It's still exactly the same. So yeah, this is how it looks at this point. I'm very happy with how these rims look on the car. I just need to strike a deal with Carl. Hopefully he'll give me a homie discount. We have Andre doing his thing. So this is the first location, and this is on the Steenbras Dam, road in Gordons Bay. So if you guys ever want to check it out for a nice location, even if you just want to come and chill up here, it's a really nice, safe spot to chill. So yeah, I recommend it. 10 out of 10. This is how it looks. So the only problem with this spot is that you struggle to get parking. You really struggle to get like parking up here. But I guess it comes with how nice the spot is. So we are going further down the mountain now because that spot got a bit too crowded and Andre couldn't get like a shot of the car, because as soon as I moved the car to make space for him to get a better shot, someone pulled in there. So yeah, and there's not much you can do about it. I mean, it's a public spot, so people must come and people must enjoy the view. So we are going to move further down to a different spot and then hopefully make it in time for the sunset, because the sun is setting really fast. So guys, that spot was unsuccessful because there was a motorbike standing in the middle of the whole parking spot. So we're gonna try a new spot, but it looks like there are cars here. So we found a new spot on the side of the road and one of these lookout points. There is one back here, an Andre's car, but that's not too bad. Not too bad. I don't know, but Andre's gonna work his magic, and then we are going to see how the results come out. In the meantime, Andre's over there doing his thing. Just gonna run quickly.
Trying to time my shot now for the cars. A little bit slow there, maybe 1 second.
The light, you're trying to get the car's lights in.
Wait, I'm a 2-second timer, so now I'm off time. I'm not very good. There we go. Yeah, that's alright.
Oh.
So let's get the rear.
Nice EP3 over there.
Yeah, it's a little bit faint. Front lights work.
See, Andre is risking his life here for the perfect picture.
That's why I kept on standing up, so if somebody pulls it.
Yes. What is that guy doing?
I don't know.
You smell oily. I'm just running after Andre. to see how he gets the perfect shot. But okay, now I'm not gonna go further up, but he's all the way up there. The car's over there. The car is a bit, well, I don't know, looks like it's a bit lower in the back than what it is in the front, but I doubt. I think it's actually perfect. Yeah.
Really? Take my jacket for now, man.
You sure?
Yeah. Check here. It's behind the passenger seat at my driver's door.
Okay. Guys, I am freezing my gat off. I'm freezing my gat off. So Andre is letting me use his jacket. Now, in the meantime, and now, is it this thing here?
Yeah, but you have to.
From the inside?
It's because the door wasn't open. Nah.
Yeah, no golf doors. So Andre is going to be light painting now, no?
Yes.
Light painting.
Let's see how it goes for now. It's always my trial and error. Okay, I'm just gonna check what I'm working on. Should have put black on. I'll do the front first. That looks pretty good, eh? You can
Yeah,
actually dial it in a bit. That was just
the rough one.
remember to keep this. I didn't do the front at all.
Malika.
Okay, but you can stay, you see me. I wasn't holding it.
And today we are going to have another photo shoot, but just Lucian is joining us today. So it's myself, Lucian and Andre, and we are currently driving to wherever Andre is taking us because we don't know what the location is supposed to be or where we're supposed to be. Lucian here in front of me, I don't know if you guys can see that, but yeah. I'll update you guys once we get there. Lucian, say hello to the people.
What are we doing today, Nico?
We are doing a photo shoot with Daily Driver. Here by the pallet. Let me show the people the car. Nice backdrop here of pallet. Yeah, Andre's trying to get the angle.
I'm actually getting it together. Getting myself together for the day.
Sitting up. And now?
I was thinking if we should try somewhere that we can do some rolling shots. Just quick.
Okay.
Do you think we can do it?
Like down this road?
Yeah.
Oh. Yeah?
Okay.
Yeah. We're gonna take rolling shots right here. I must vlog. We're gonna take rolling shots up and down the street because there's not much going on. There's nothing actually going on. Just that gate that's open with the dogs. But yeah. Now we're doing it. Andre doing it for the getting everything. Risking his life for the shot. Risking his life for the perfect shot. Let me just lower this camera so that it doesn't get in the way. Lucian wants to get his back wheel up. He wants the tripod. Go, go. Azai. Azai. Nah, leave it like it. Andre. You see how the thing's touching the ground here in front. Sorry, Andre. This thing's plat. Plat, plat, plat. Lekker. Oh, Andre makes these stickers, by the way. So just DM him on Instagram if you guys are interested.
The sun is the bad.
Yeah. Kamu? Hey, now your bumper, bruh.
You're not gonna achieve it from my side.
Why not?
Where's the angle now? Angle is supposed to be.
You. So now, okay, try to go forward, but then push your nose turn that way.
It's supposed to go higher or something.
Yeah. But your bumper, they look like it wants to fall off. Nah, you're not gonna get it. Watch this guy's bumper now. Your bumper, my bro. Wait, you're gonna break it. Lucian, wait. Wait, wait, wait. Nah, wait, cancel. Mission abort. Mission abort, that's bad. That bumper is unfolding now. Yeah.
That's why people call up Papa. Now who's gonna sponsor me on you?
Yeah, that bumper's in critical. Oh, is it fixed now?
Yeah, it's fixed, bro. I told you.
Okay. Nah. Man, there's a lot of petrol now.
He's returning in on the wrong street or what?
Jesus. Ah, it's coming, yeah. Yay, 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 yay. Pas op nou. Yay, 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 yay. Holy! People of the vlog, this is our Polly making an appearance.
What's it good?
Ah.
You know what's wrong? If you push like this is wrong. This is like...
Hey, Andre! Andre!
No man, that's ugly.
Andre!
Very ugly, that's very ugly.
Don't make it quiet. But you must come forward.
Okay, I'll do something easy and...
Thank you for the vlog. Yeah. Really?
Money goes smooth like butter.
Oh.
I see, man. I'm not warmed up now. You guys are laughing at me.
So yeah guys, that is it for today's video. I am on the way home now. Just left the guys. They are still busy. I don't know what. But yeah, so I just left and I'm on the way home now. So guys, once again, thank you so much for tuning in. Thank you so much for subscribing and for watching the videos. I really do appreciate it. So yeah, remember to subscribe if you haven't already, and stay tuned for more content.